Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Government suspects that Sanatan's act, literature, thoughts can create terrorists. How can a spiritual organization spread communal hatred through their mouthpiece? Questions government. Goa police deny all allegations of Sanatan. We bring to you the jugalbandi between Sanatan and police. Four dacoits strike at Naveli Shivode. Assets worth rupees 1,13,000 burgled. Second burglary in 1 month with the same family. IFFI getting bigger and better. Sections of IFFI increased from 9 to 19. ESG CEO expects foreign filmmakers in this year's IFFI. And mixed day for Goa in the 55th National School Games. 1 silver and 2 bronze in Taekwondo, but under 14 girls face big defeat in football. Now the news in detail. Government has hit back at Sanatan. Government is suspecting that acts, literature and thoughts of Sanatan can produce terrorists. Government has warned Sanatan to think twice before making any allegation on government. Spokesperson of government Vishnu Wagh has said that government will not keep quiet if anyone tries to spread communal hatred in the society in guise of spirituality.
Government on Thursday warned Sanatan Samstha of strict action. Government spokesperson Vishnu Suryawagh said that government suspects that Sanatan's literature and thoughts can produce terrorists.
सनातनचो ह्या सगळ्या बाबतीन संशय घेवपाचो कारण म्हणजे जे तरेचे तांचे वर्तन आसा, जे तरेचे तांचे लेखन आसा आणि जे तरेचे विचार ते समाजात पातळायतात, ह्या विचारांतल्यानच एखादो अतिरेकी जावं येता, एखादो दहशतवादी जावं येता अशी शंका सरकाराक आयल्या आणि म्हणून सनातन संस्था ह्या संस्थेचो सर्वांगीण तपास करपाचें काम हे सुरू जालां.
Government has warned Sanatan Samstha to stop spreading communal hatred in the society under the guise of spirituality and religious preaching.
अशा तरेन अध्यात्माचें संरक्षण घेवन धर्मजागृतीचें कवच घेवन जर कोणूय गोंयच्या समाजान विद्वेष पसरवपाचो प्रयत्न करत, कोणूय फूट घालपाचो प्रयत्न करत जाल्यार गोंयचे सरकार कसल्याच प्रकारे तांचो मुलाहिजो दवरपाना असो इशारो ह्या पत्रकार परिशदेंतल्यान आमी दिवपाक सोदतात.
Wagh also questioned how Sanatan Samstha can be termed as a spiritual organization when they spread communal hatred through their mouthpiece.
प्रकारचें लिखाण जे हेतू पुरस्सर अत्यंत विखारी, जळजळीत आणि समाजांत फूट घालपी लिखाण आसा, तें लिखाण आपल्या वर्तमानपत्रांतल्यान करपी संघटना स्वताक अध्यात्मीक कशी म्हणूंक शकता.
Government also asked Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar, North Goa MP Shripad Naik and Shivoli MLA Dayanand Mandrekar to clarify their connection with Sanatan Samstha.
Office bearers of Sanatan Samstha have quoted them as having their support. So this is a serious issue, and that is why it is the onus of these leaders to come forward and tell whether they are supported or not. Let things be clear.
Meanwhile, speaking to PTI news agency, Leader of Opposition Manohar Parrikar clarified that he does not sympathize with Sanatan Samstha and does not agree with many of their viewpoints. I am not sympathizer of Sanatan. I am not even their member. I don't agree with few of their viewpoints. My stand in bomb blast case may benefit them, but it does not mean that I sympathize with them. I don't consider their philosophy as totally right. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Goa police have conducted several raids at Sanatan's Ramniti Ashram in connection with Madgaon bomb blast. Sanatan has accused Goa police for targeting, harassing and continuing unwanted investigation against Samstha. However, Goa police rubbished all the allegations of Sanatan Samstha. Have a look at the jugalbandi.
After Madgaon bomb blast, Sanatan Samstha held first press meet in Panji. Samstha feels that the investigation is biased and engender terror in the minds of Sikhs who are staying in Ramnathi Ashram. However, police say it is nothing but part of the investigation. We bring to you the allegations and the counters. Have a look.
पोलीस ज्या तऱ्हेने हा तपास करत आहेत, ज्या तऱ्हेने चौकशी करत आहेत, ज्या तऱ्हेने झडती घेत आहेत आश्रमाची, तर या सगळ्यामुळे मुलांच्या मनात एक प्रकारे दहशत निर्माण झाली आहे.
It is a terrorist act kind of a offense. So when such a serious and a case of such high gravity is being investigated, there is bound to be intensive investigation, and there is no option but to face the investigation. But this is not something which is left to their choice to say whether they want to or they don't want to. They have no options here. Investigation will have to be carried out, and it will be carried out, and need be more searches if required will also be carried out.
यावरून असं वाटतं की सनातन संस्थेला लक्ष्य करण्याच्या हेतूने, म्हणजे टार्गेट करण्याच्या हेतूने ही जी काही तपासाची दिशा आहे ती अशा तऱ्हेने विस्तारण्याचा हा निंदनीय प्रकार आहे.
It's for them to say that. They know it very well. I really can't comment on this because police never arrived at Sanatan's doorstep before the case. It's only after this case has happened, that investigation has started, that police have reached at their doorstep, and they have reached at the doorstep because there are indicators that way.
16 ऑक्टोबर पासून पहिले 3 दिवस जी काही चौकशी झाली, जी काही आश्रमाचा तपास झाला, हा सर्व तपास सर्च वॉरंट न दाखवताच झालेला आहे.
This is investigation part. I would not want to comment on this issue because SIT is investigating it, and investigation is happening in all possible angles.
तसेच या तपासणीत आमच्या संगणकावरचा, कॉम्प्युटरवरचा हार्ड डिस्कवरील मजकूर त्यांनी कॉपी करून घेतला. तर यावेळी कॉपी करून घेताना त्यांचा हॅश व्हॅल्यू द्यायची पद्धत असते, तर या हॅश व्हॅल्यूचा पंचनामा करण्यात आला नाही.
I can't comment. These are all baseless allegations. We can't comment on this. This is all part of investigation actually. So I don't think so I can comment on these issues.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parab, Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Flat of Satish Velekar was burgled in a daylight dacoity on Thursday at Navili, Shirwade. 4 unknown persons forcibly entered the flat and broke open the cupboards and other lockers in the flat. Not just that, they even stuffed chili powder in the mouths of the family members and tied them. Here's a report. On Thursday, a flat at Navili, Shirwade was burgled by few unknown persons at around 10:45 am. The flat belongs to Satish Velekar, who is a jeweler by profession. These dacoits at first knocked the door and inquired about the family members present in the house when a small boy opened the door. Later, the dacoits entered forcibly into the house. The robbers got united and tied the family members in the house. There were altogether 5 people in the house, including Satish's wife and sister. The dacoits later robbed the flat and took away the gold ornaments worth ₹40,000, 2 gold chains and silver idols. They also tried to break open the treasury of the house but were unable to break it. They easily broke the cupboards and other lockers in the house and fled away from the flat. Earlier on 17th October, Satish's jewelry shop was also burgled by unknown robbers. Police are investigating into the case. We spoke to the family members of Satish and here is what they told us.
एकदम सगळं दोघ जण दडून बसले, ते उभे राहनाका हांवें दार बंद करपा प्रयत्न केलो. 3 जाणां म्हाका समजा सकयल ओडून हांव येवपा प्रयत्न करता, म्हाका ते ओडून भितर वतात करून म्हाका तेणी पांय मिरसांगे पिठो तोंडार म्हज्या आनी तोंड धांपून दोळे बीन सगळें बांदून इतलें म्हजें बांदून म्हजो गोब मारपा नासलो, फुगार केलो गोमटो. कमी 10 मिनटां म्हाका तेणी हांव तेंचे कडेन स्ट्रगल केलो. 10 मिनटां हांव म्हजे पांय सोडटा, हात सोडटा, तांकां फटायता, मारता, पूण म्हाका ते कशें
कितले जाणां आशिल्ले
टोटल 3 जाणांनी म्हाका धरला. आनी तो तीग जाणां काय तांकां पयला पूण हांव कांयच वळखूंक शकना तशी इंडियन कोंकणी प्युअर कोंकणी बरेंच उलयता ते सारके कोंकणी बरें उलयता ते
म्हाका मोबायल आरमारीची चावी खंय तर हांवें सांगलें म्हाका खबर ना म्हणून परत विचारलें तर म्हाका खबर ना म्हणून लास्टाक म्हाका चाकू दाखयलो तेणी.
This dacoity has come up as a big challenge to Madgaon police as robbers struck this family twice. Our reporter in Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt. Time for a short break. We'll be right back.